In this video, you are going to see the charging time of the Motorola Edge 40 Neo mobile. You can see right now it is at 0% battery. I'm going to charge this mobile with the 68 watts charger that is provided in the box. We will see how much time it takes to charge 100%. After every 10 minutes, I'm going to check how much it charged. Right now, I'm charging this mobile in switch off mode and I'm not turning on this mobile in this test. So we get an idea what is the exact actual time does it take to charge completely. The good thing about this mobile is the charger is provided in the box. Right now we are observing the no charger trend in most of the mobile phones. Now we reached the 10 minutes mark. It charged 25%. This is quite impressive. We will continue this test and check after 20 minutes. Maybe you calculate for 10 minutes it's 25%, so 40 minutes it's 100%. We will see whether it is correct or wrong. I already posted a battery drain test of this Motorola Edge 40 Neo mobile. Check out the relative video links of this mobile in the description box. If you watch the battery drain test video, you will know the screen on time that I'm getting and also the average screen on time that you will get if you use this mobile. Now we crossed the 20 minutes mark. It's time to check. It charged 43%. We will continue this and check after 30 minutes. This mobile comes with a 5000 mAh lithium polymer battery. You get only wire charging support and there is no wireless charging is there. I think this 68 watt charger is more than enough for most of the users to charge this mobile while they are getting ready for the day. This mobile is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7030 chipset. This is a 6nm build chipset. After knowing this, maybe some of you guys think that the 6nm processors are not good for the battery efficiency, but it's wrong. Now we crossed the 30 minutes mark. It's time to check. The mobile charged 58% after 30 minutes. We will continue this and check after 40 minutes. This mobile comes with a POLED panel and it produces 1 billion colors. Also, this display is supported for HDR10 plus and the peak brightness that it goes is 1300 nits. This is a 10-bit panel. Also, this is a 20:9 ratio display with a screen to body ratio of 90.2%. This is a curved panel, not a flat display. Now we crossed the 40 minutes mark. It's time to check. This mobile charged 72% after 40 minutes. We will continue this and check after 50 minutes. After seeing these display specifications, maybe you think that the battery backup is not good, but it's not. That's why I highly recommend you to watch the battery drain test so you will get an idea of what is the screen on time. Now we crossed the 50 minutes mark. It's time to check. This mobile charged 86% after 50 minutes. We will continue this and check after 60 minutes. If you observe the charging speed, up to 50% it charged fast and after that it decreases gradually. I'm not saying this is a flaw in this mobile. If you take the example of other mobiles, they also charge in this pattern. Up to 50% they charge fastly and after that it decreases. This is actually for battery protection. Also, if you observe the official platforms or websites of different mobiles, they say that this mobile can charge up to this much in 30 minutes or 50% in this time. No company will actually say how much time it takes to charge 0 to 100%. After 60 minutes, it charged 99%. I fast forwarded the video and these are the final results. This mobile took around 1 hour 5 minutes to charge completely from 0 to 100%. So whether it is a good time or not, for me it's okay, but if we compare it with other brands in this price range, it's quite satisfactory. Also, don't charge your mobile up to 100% every time. The safe zone is in between 80 to 90%. Also, during this entire test, I observed the mobile and the charger getting warmer. It's not overheating, but somewhat heat I observed. Comment your opinion about this charging time and also share your mobile charging time that it takes to charge 0 to 100%. These are some other videos related to Moto Edge 40 Neo. Also, check the description box for more videos about this mobile other than these.